Hi, my friends. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. I was watching something very important collections today. Actually, the Sri Lankan Tamilian customers have reached here. They have seen the videos and they came here. And the customers, they all were male group. Now, one of the sir has told me you have a lot of female fans at Sri Lanka. So Sri Lankan, all the customers, friends, views, everyone, I'm so thankful. I can say thanks to everyone who are watching. Now they met me and they told me that you have a lot of fans, especially ladies from Sri Lanka. So special thanks to everyone. So they have purchased these kind of varieties. Kota cotton, Mahalakshmi, border sarees, and these collections varieties they have purchased. They all came up with a group team members, and they traveled all around from Sri Lanka to India. And I like the way Sri Lankan Tamil is very different when we compare, right? So that gives very joy when we talk. So hi, hello, and they have told me about the videos they see and they purchase online, and today they came. So today I'm going to show you these kind of varieties. So how the handloom cotton sarees, how these kind of varieties they have purchased. So let's see the collections. Today I brought for you around Kota cotton handloom sarees, 600 rupees to some 1000 range of varieties. Quickly you can collections these varieties. These are the packing also, which comes very only with a white sheet which is covered. Why? Even when we give the cloths pressing outside, either dry clean or anything, they also pack in this way, right? The Kota cotton is also having the kind of demand, and especially these varieties all over the south, especially Andhra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, they all having these kind of fast moving collections. And in your location also, you can also have this kind of purchase with a wholesale manufacturing price. So I'm going to show you the collections quickly. Either it's a plain cup border, checks come border, Kota cotton, cotton handloom sarees, these kind of varieties you can purchase. Today I brought for the trending sarees in this Kota cotton and silk cotton handloom collections also with Mahalakshmi borders, traditional base borders. So these are varieties around 600 to 1000 range of varieties. So subscribe the channel, my friends, quickly. You can add into your business. And these varieties, if you are a cotton reseller, so update based on the collections and the designs, and every time the cotton manufacturers are giving you new collections. But these fast moving varieties are always demanded 365 days. Either cotton or it belongs to summer, or either the winter, or you have a rainy anything, cotton gives a very beautiful and comfortable, right? So these are having a lovely texture varieties. So first pattern, see over here, these collections very pretty. If I talk about dark purple, you have a beautiful traditional base border. The combination is, you got the maroon, and this is the beautiful pallu, I can say over here. So the pallu, the base of these pallu, you can see this is the pallu. So this is the pallu, and when you do the starch for the saris, very pretty and very plain come, this is the pallu. So in this you have an alternate color. So this is one of the pattern. So this is one of the tomato red, very pretty. On this blue, I am showing you the maroon red. This is the pallu, and you have a golden jerry. These are all the traditional Mahalakshmi based and this kind of body part. This is the, when we talk about the sari, every sari you have a, when it gets washed, it will get very soft and very soft. So that's why, but cotton needs every time a starch. Either it is a butta or plain come border, either checks come border, every cotton sari needs a starch. That only give you a beautiful structure and texture, these kind of collections. This is one of the pattern over here, the dark brownish shade with coffee brown, and you have a maroon, matte maroon, and lovely golden yellow, the beautiful floral border with handloom collections. These kinds of saris, these are all handloom collections, you can see over here. So this is the pallu, you have a, and body you have a golden butta. Every sari you have a butta collections, these kind, we have varieties with the color charts. If I talk about the next color which is on the same pattern, you can see the magenta. The combination is magenta with bottle green. So these varieties also, and these collections are always a sign of the Kanjivaram handloom collections of cotton saris, and every time these are signed for Tamil Nadu. So these also very pretty, and these having a cotton handloom thread work saris. You can highlight, especially the senior age category people, they carry these kind of varieties in district levels, and the wholly village having some kind of styles. So next pattern, so very beautiful and very pretty, these kind of kota cotton with border with magenta color with the gap borders, again with you have a very beautiful white based checks pattern. You have, this is a matte pallu with heavy magenta combination with golden Mahalakshmi border. If I talk about the next pattern, you have a very pretty bottle green with magenta. So these bottle green, again the golden combination. This is the combination of the checks pattern. Every sari you have a very pretty collections, and this is the pallu. This is a matte maroon, and this is a pallu. You can see over here, entire body of the sari you will see only checks pattern. So next pattern, you have a very beautiful pretty sari with a plain come bold, these kind of varieties. So purple color, you have a very mango based, you have a weaving on the weaving handloom based saris, very pretty. Again, if I talk about the plain come this exclusive border saris with where these kind of varieties also you can purchase. All these saris are, you have to compulsory, you should have a starch. And in this sari, I have a last color but not least, mehndi green. Very pretty. These collections, when we wore, no, it gives a highlighted color. Either you are a dusky, either you are a fair, either you have a skin creamish color skin tone. All skin tones having all the color charts. These kind of the mehndi light green with the mango base weaving handloom saris. This is a pattern. Okay, this is a pallu. So these kind of collections you can purchase. If I talk about this cotton section, this is a cotton print come border. If I talk about that section, that is a cotton embroidery designer saris. All these collections you can purchase with the color charts. So hope you enjoyed this Kota cotton and cotton handloom based saris. So to know the actual prices, numbers are scrolling on the screen. Please call and talk to our online team. You have a conversation team to handle based on your language: Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Canada, US. So Singapore, Malaysia, everyone you can coordinate with online video calling purchase, and you can get your products at your location. Worldwide, we do have a shipping, transport, safety with security. 1 lakh minimum advance from Indian currency amount you can do online purchase. For out of India and pan India, you have a 20 to 30,000 minimum order. COD options are there. So let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, and keep supporting me. What kind of collections you are looking for? If you have any doubts, you can talk to me in the comments. Don't forget to mention your city and your location. So keep supporting me. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it, share, follow, and share with everyone. So next video we'll meet, friends. Until then, take care. Bye bye.